Good day everybody. Today's video is about Bitcoin that's going up. You'll see that it's been moving quite nicely up this week. There's still upward movement that's going to happen. This morning it hit the one resistance line of 6785. So it's going to struggle to break through that line because it's a big resistance line, but it will move up some more. The altcoins are lagging behind a bit, but they will catch up soon. It's just a matter of time. The guys from Python Signals predicted this and it's coming true. So, and they're also following 40 other coins. So if you want in on this and be on target for when to get out of it, you need to get a subscriptions with Python Signals to get the full data around this, and it's worth it. I've been doing this now for 3 months already and it's made me some good money, so I would suggest that you do the same and subscribe. The subscription link is below this video. Just subscribe. You can just subscribe for a month, which is like $50, and then you can test it out. Thank you.